The year is 2026, and the image of a farmer working tirelessly under the sun with manual tools is becoming a relic of the past. Agriculture has officially entered the era of the technological revolution. Today, massive machines, artificial intelligence, and autonomous robots are doing the work that once required hundreds of laborists. In this video, we are going to explore the top 10 most powerful and mind-blowing agriculture machines ever built. From giant harvesters that look like something out of a sci-fi movie to precision drones that can scan a single leaf from miles away, these inventions are not just saving time, they are saving our planet's food supply. Stick around until number 1, because that machine alone is redefining the meaning of efficiency on a scale you won't believe. Let's start with the heavy hitters. Meet the John Deere X9 1100, a beast of a machine often referred to as the king of the harvest. This isn't just a tractor, it's a mobile factory. In the past, harvesting wheat or corn across thousands of acres took weeks. This machine can harvest up to 30 acres per hour. What makes it truly special is its integrated technology. It uses dual separator systems and a digital brain that adjusts settings in real time based on the moisture levels of the crop. The cabin is more like a luxury cockpit, equipped with touchscreens, 360-degree cameras, and satellite-guided steering. The farmer literally sits back while the machine navigates with centimeter-level precision. This efficiency translates to millions of dollars in savings for large-scale farms in the American Midwest, moving from the massive fields to the delicate orchards. Traditionally, fruit picking has been one of the most labor-intensive jobs in agriculture. Why? Because fruits like apples, strawberries, and grapes are fragile. One wrong move and the product is ruined. Enter the advanced harvesting robots. Using high-definition LiDAR and AI-powered vision, these robots can identify the exact ripeness of a fruit by analyzing its color and size. A robotic arm then moves with the gentleness of a human hand to pluck the fruit without a single bruise. These machines work 24/7, never get tired, and don't require breaks. In California and Australia, these robots are the answer to a massive labor shortage, ensuring that fresh produce reaches your grocery store faster and cheaper than ever before. While some machines work on the ground, others have taken to the skies. Agricultural drones are no longer toys. They are essential farming tools. High-tech drones like the DJI Agras T40 are revolutionizing how we protect our crops. Instead of a tractor driving through a field and crushing crops to spray pesticides, these drones fly above. They use multispectral sensors to see things the human eye cannot. They can detect a pest infestation or a nutrient deficiency in a specific corner of a 500-acre farm. Once the problem is identified, the drone applies a precise amount of fertilizer or pesticide only where it is needed. This precision agriculture reduces chemical waste by nearly 40%, making farming more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Water is the most precious resource in farming, and wasting it is no longer an option. This is where smart irrigation systems come into play. Modern systems are now connected to local weather stations and soil moisture sensors. Imagine a system that knows it is going to rain in 2 hours and automatically shuts off the water. Or a system that delivers water drop by drop directly to the roots of a plant through underground pipes. Countries like Israel have pioneered this drip irrigation technology, turning deserts into blooming gardens. These machines ensure that every single gallon of water is used to its maximum potential, which is critical as we face global climate challenges. Perhaps the most shocking sight on a modern farm is a massive tractor moving through a field with an empty cabin. Autonomous tractors are here. Using a combination of GPS, sensors, and deep learning algorithms, these machines can plow, seed, and cultivate entirely on their own. A farmer can control an entire fleet of 5 or 10 tractors from a single iPad in their office. These machines can work through the night and in thick fog where a human driver would struggle to see. This technology is not about replacing farmers. It's about empowering them to manage larger areas with less physical strain and higher accuracy. From the massive steel giants to the tiny sensors in the soil, agriculture technology is ensuring that we can feed a growing global population. These machines represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity. But the question remains, Are we ready for a future where robots grow our food? If you found this look into the future of farming fascinating, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, let me know in the comments, which of these machines was the most impressive to you? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of modern technology and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.